Good morning. Today we are into congruent triangles. Congruent triangles, session 2. Um, Basically, there are 5 rules for congruent triangles we had studied in the last session. One was SAS, the second was ASA, and the third was AAS. There are many confusions, many people get confused, why SAS, why ASA, why AAS. So let's try to understand why it is like this. Suppose let's take this triangle, another triangle here, another triangle here. If you see this, you can make out that this particular S, this triangle ABC, here it's DEF, and this is PQR. Now when you say SAS, that means you take side 1 S1, you take side 2 S2, and the third angle must be sandwiched. You can see that SA is in between two S. That means if you have two triangles where the angle which is sandwiched is angle is sandwiched between these two sides, that means the rule is SAS. The other case is ASA. In this case, you should consider if this angle is equal to another angle and this angle is equal to the other angle of the second triangle. That means the third side is sandwiched here, so you should take only this side. So this is A1, this is A2, and this is S. So we can say that two triangles are congruent by ASA if you see two angles and the side which is in between these two angles is congruent. Now let us take the third case where it is AAS. This is slightly tricky. Why is it so? Let's take one angle here A. Let's take another angle here A2. Now if it is this side, then becomes ASA. Now if it is this side, let's say the case 1 where it is this side, where it is S. Now I want to check with the second triangle which is A1, B1, C1. Now I can say that this angle A1 here is here, this angle B1 A2, I can say that this angle and this angle are equal, this angle and this angle are equal. Now when this side has to be taken here, this side you can see that it is opposite to angle A1. So in this triangle also I should take only this side, that is the angle corresponding to the side must be considered. Here you can say that this is A1 means this is also A1 and this is also A2, and I should take only this side, and if by mistake I have taken this side, then it is wrong. Okay, we'll do a few examples to understand these rules better. Now the fourth case is very obvious case, which is SSS. I don't need to talk much on this. When all the three sides S1, S2 and S3 of a triangle are equal to other three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent by SSS rule. Now let's take the last case, which is RHS. When we take two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2, these two are right angle triangles. That means one angle is 90 degrees. Now RHS means this hypotenuse of one triangle is equal to the hypotenuse of the other triangle, and any one side of this triangle is equal to the corresponding side of the other triangle. So in this case we can see that there are two sides are equal, and since these two are right angle triangles, the angle is equal. So in other ways I can say that these are congruent by ASS or SSA. But being a right angle triangle, we say that they are congruent by RHS, that is one hypotenuse is equal to the other hypotenuse and any one side is equal to the corresponding side. So in brief, we have touched upon all these rules: SAS, ASA, AAS, ASA, where the side is sandwiched between two angles. You can see it very clearly. And here it is AAS, where two angles are taken and the side which is corresponding to A1 should be taken in the second case also. Then it is AAS. Then the fourth case is SSS, which is very obvious case. And the last case is RHS, which is in case of right angle triangles. Thank you.